Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Rosalie Olabiaga, 43 years old. I am happily married with my husband for 20 years. We're blessed with 4 children, one girl and 3 boys. Their ages are 18, 17, 15, and 13. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate. I took a cookery in situ under TESDA and also online training of ASL or teaching English in second language. I've worked here in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve one couple and one baby. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and attending the baby. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want my children to finish their studies and I want to earn more money for the future. For my future employer, if you choose me as your housemaid, I promise to do my best, my duties and responsibilities, and promise to finish my contract and as long as you need me. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, responsible, honest, caring, and hospitable. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.